How to view your watch history on TikTok. What do you mean by how to watch my watch history on TikTok? Oh, relax, relax, relax. Let me explain. For example, you're watching videos on TikTok. You are scrolling to the next video, scrolling to the next video, and the video is very important for you. So you now come quit TikTok, you swipe it off, and later on you log into TikTok and you want to watch that same video you were watching before you quit TikTok. So that is your watch history. So do not panic, you can get it back. Just relax and watch the video from A to Z. I'm gonna explain to you practically. All right, let's get into practical aspect of this. Watch. So first of all, let's assume I'm just on in my TikTok right now. I just trying to enter TikTok right now. So let me show you. Just calm down and watch this thing. So let's, for example, I'm watching this very video like this now. I now scroll go up again. I watch this one again. So this is the second video I'm watching now. So I'll now scroll again. I'm watching the third video here right now. So I now come swipe up my TikTok. I swipe it off, and I wanted to watch that the same three videos that I watched before I swipe up my TikTok. So let me show you how you can get that watch history back in TikTok. Like maybe you are watching a video, you're watching a video on TikTok. You're not gonna swipe it off. All your data finished, and you wanted to, and that video is very important for you, and you wanted to watch it back. So what you need to do is, let me just enter TikTok like this. So if I enter TikTok like this now, it will show me my last history. So it has started with another video. It has started with another video entirely. Even though I come down like this now, I can't see that video anymore. But do not panic. Let me show you how you can get your watch history on TikTok right now. So what you need to do is that you now just click on the search button here. Click on search here. So when you click on search here, you now type in dot, that comma, no, not comma, that full stop, dot. You now click on dots here like this. So you can see dots here. So you click on dots here, then you now click on search. So when you click on search here, it will show you display. It will now you can see here, up here you can now see view your watch history. Then you now can click on view your watch history here. So when you click on view your watch history now, you will see that video that I've been watching before I swipe up my TikTok. So look at it here. All these videos that you have watched in the last 24 hours will be present here. It will be displayed here. So all these videos, or the video I watched last 24 hours, so they are all here. So this is the simple trick that you can be able to view your watch history. So if you like this video, click on the like button, comment with anything that you don't understand, and also follow my page. It's very important. Follow my page and share it to your friends that they are willing to learn this trick. Please share it, follow my page, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and thank you so much. All right, see you in my next video. Thank you.